So I saw this hack on TikTok a couple weeks ago, and when I saw it, I knew it would make such a good air fryer recipe. You're going to take a pack of chicken drumsticks and cut them along the bone so that they butterfly open like this, which is going to give you super crispy chicken on both sides, and they're going to cook a bit quicker. And then all I do is season them with some Danos and garlic salt. They're going to go in the air fryer skin side down for about 20 minutes, and then I flip them over, and then they only take about 10 minutes after that. They are so good. If you guys try it, be sure to tag me and let me know what you think.
Crazy Busy Mama hack, the best frozen vegetables you'll ever have all in your air fryer. Yep, so easy. Throw the bag in the air fryer, give them a good spray. Use any kind of seasoning that you like. I love this buttery steakhouse. Shake it up, about 5 minutes. At 5 minutes, go ahead and take it and shake it up and put it in for another 5 minutes. And here you go. They're awesome.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and share, but don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you see more videos as they come out.